Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a fingerprint sensor on Google Pixel 5a. To do this we'll need to open a settings, inside go and look for the biometrics or a security tab. So I think it should be right here. Now there's a device lock or anything like a fingerprint. Nope. Let's go here. And there's a pixel imprint. Tap to set up the fingerprint, and that confirms that this device does have the fingerprint. Now let's just locate where exactly it is, and it's on the back of the phone right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.